Welcome back to Learn Intermediate JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the classes section. This is Inheritance 2. In the last exercise, we created a parent class named Animal for two child classes named Cat and Dog. The Animal class below contains the shared properties and methods of cat and dog. Here we have class Animal that has this constructor which takes in a name. It then creates the name property and assigns name to it. It creates the behavior property and assigns 0 to it. We then have a getter for get name and a get behavior, which will return this name and this behavior. Increment behavior is a method that will increment behavior by 1. The code below shows the cat class that will inherit information from the animal class. Here we see the class cat has the constructor with name in it and also behavior, as well as the get name and get behavior. It does have a different argument that it takes in, so though it inherits the properties and methods from animal, it does have some different ones. Here we have the getter get uses litter, which will return this uses litter. Then we have increment behavior, just as we do in our animal class. To the right, in main.js, you will put what you learned to practice by creating a parent class named hospital employee. Our instructions say, in the next few exercises, you will create two subclasses, doctor and nurse, from a parent class named hospital employee. Below, we have listed the properties and methods you will find in the doctor and nurse class. We have doctor is going to have properties such as name, remaining vacation days, that will be set to 20 inside the constructor, and insurance. Methods will be take vacation days. Nurse will have properties name, remaining vacation days, and certifications. Methods take vacation days and add certification. In main.js, create a parent class named hospital employee. Add a constructor with name as an argument. Let's do that now. Run it. And we do pass. 2 says, inside of the constructor, set the instance's name to name and remaining vacation days to 20. Let's do that now. Run it. We pass. 3 says, under the constructor, create getters for your name and remaining vacation days properties. Inside the getter, return the property's value. Let's do that here. Let's run this. We pass. 4 says, under the getters, add a method called take vacation days. This method should accept one argument called days off. Inside the method, subtract days off from remaining vacation days. Save the result to remaining vacation days. Let's do that. Let's run it. And we do pass. So what we're learning here, more about inheritance. This lesson is going to continue on into the next few exercises, but here we've created a class, hospital employee, which has a name and remaining vacation days property, as well as getters that will get the name of that hospital employee and will get remaining vacation days of that hospital employee. This is our parent class, and it will build up to creating a doctor and a nurse. And both our doctor and nurse will have access to all these, but they will also have their own. We'll learn more about that in the next lessons, and I'll see you guys there.